Hey there, this is video 726. This is the last of our application questions. It could have been done, but then I saw this one, and you know what? It was about pierogies, and I couldn't help myself. You know, how could a girl from Yorkton not do the question about pierogies? So let's take it out. The members of a Ukrainian church hold a fundraiser every Friday night in the summer. They usually charge $6 for a plate of pierogies. They know from previous Fridays that 120 plates of pierogies can be sold at $6, but for each $1 price increase, 10 fewer plates will be sold. How much should the church members charge if they want to raise as much money as they can for the church? Well, let's just take a look at this. I'm going to do some, what do you call it? I'm not going to use a parabola right away. I'm not going to use a quadratic right away. I'm just going to do some calculations and just so that we see what the pattern is. So selling for $6. Okay, so they go 120 plates times $6 should be $720. So if they sell for $7, it says for each $1 in price increase, 10 fewer plates are going to be sold. So if they go up by 1, this is going to be 110 plates. Oops. Oh my goodness. At $7. So that would be $710. So for them, that's still a win, right? If they increase their price, even though they're going to sell less plates, they're still going to make more money. What, $8? Well, then they'd sell 100 plates. And they would make $800. Okay, are you seeing the pattern? At $9, they would sell 90 plates. At $9, that should be $810. Okay, what if they sell them for $10? So every time we're taking away, excuse me, they sell 10 less plates. This is going to be 80 plates at $10 each. Can you guys see what just happened? Now, just without doing any parabolas or math or something like that, it looks like there is a sweet spot for this darling little Ukrainian ladies who made all the pierogies. It looks like $9 a plate is going to be the most amount they make. But we want to do that mathematically. Let's see if we can make that happen. So the thing that changes is actually the amount of the increase. It's that $1 increase that's changing all the time. So let X equal $1 increase in price. Okay, so then okay, let's do it this way. Profit is going to be number of plates sold times the price. So our number of plates sold starts at 120, but for every plate they sell, for every $1 increase minus 10 times X. So every time it goes up by $1, it goes down by 10. And our price starts out at 6 plus X, because it was $6 to start with, plus every $1. So now, guess what we get to do with that? We are going to FOIL. Oh, it's been a while. 120 120, first times first, 120 times 6. That's going to be 720 outsides plus 120x minus insides 60x minus 10x squared. Okay, let's fix that up. It's all wonky and in wrong order. So minus 10x squared. Oops. I'm using a page so y'all can see. Now, if I put these two together, plus 60x plus 720. All right, so here's our handy dandy parabola. And this is increase. And this is profit. And we basically get a curve like that. I always get a curve like that. But our maximum profit is going to be at our vertex. And the first coordinate is going to give us our increase, and the second one is going to give us how much they make. So that's for our vertex. All right, this is in standard form because we have an x there. So P is equal to minus B over 2A. Minus 60 over 2, and A was minus 10. P is equal to minus 60 over minus 20. So P is equal to 3. Now, that is my x coordinate for increase, which, if you remember right, oh, look, you can even see it right now. Right, we started with a $6 plate, and we get a $3 increase. That's the first number of our vertex. Right, so that's how far over it is. That makes $9, which we already figured out up there. So $3 increase gives max profit. And just for fun, let's take this 3 and put it into our equation. So what am I going to call it? I guess we're going to use the word profit. I was going to use P, but then it's like, okay, you got 2 P's going on. Minus 10x squared plus 60x plus 720 equals minus 10 times 3 squared plus 60 times 3 plus 720 minus 10 times 9 plus 180 plus 720 equals minus 90 plus 180 plus 720, and I bet that is 810. Minus 90 plus 180 plus 720, yes. And there we go. So $3 increase is best choice. At that, we make $810 profit. Okay, I don't know if that's profit. How much money they can raise for this fish. And we kind of proved that up here already. Now, I'm not sure. If I say solve this using the quadratic formula, I probably won't give you full marks for this, but I will give you part marks because you thought it through. And this is part of the chapter on reasoning where it says 1, try something, and 2, systematic, going through your, the word disappeared on me, going through your options systematically. So we just went, instead of going 6, well, maybe it's 8, maybe it's 15. No, we just went 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it worked out pretty good for us. And we can tell that's the maximum because it was going up, up, up. And then, I don't know, people decided that $10 for a plate of pierogies was too expensive and the amount of profit started to go down. All right, that is the end of chapter 7.